are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that we will continue to update you with videos like this. Today I'm going to talk more on this app called Knowance. It's a crypto exchange app and it's very unique, and I'm going to tell you why you should be using it today. We currently live in a world that's full of crypto exchanges, and it seems that every one of them are offering the same thing. Standing out now it becomes no longer easy task. Whether you're buying crypto in Nigeria or flipping gift cards in the Philippines or probably sending USDT to your family in Kenya, you must have probably noticed how most platforms feel cold, some feel complicated, or even just plain expensive. So here is where Knowance comes in. Knowance Crypto Exchange. This isn't just another trading app, it is a full-blown financial ecosystem that is built with everyday users in mind, especially for people in emerging markets. So you have to think of it as a mix between a marketplace, a wallet, and a social platform all rolled into one. Let me just break it down in a simple and friendly term. They have what is called peer-to-peer trading, that is, you are in control. So Knowance isn't like those traditional exchanges where you are stuck with whatever the market says. Instead, it is built like a real P2P marketplace where you can get to set your rules. Even if you want to sell your crypto at your own risk or at your own price, you can. If you prefer to receive payment via your local mobile apps or a specific bank, it's totally up to you. And here is the best part: you can chat directly with the buyers or sellers, so you can both agree on your own terms. It's like buying something from someone in your neighborhood, but in this case, it's safely and also globally. They also have what is called escrow system. That's your safety net. Have you ever wondered about getting scammed in a crypto deal? Knowance has your back. When you start a trade, the crypto is held in escrow by the platform, which means that it is locked away until both sides fulfill their promises. So once the buyers pays and confirm, the crypto is released, simple, safe, and scam-free. So whether you are new to crypto or a seasoned trader, you can trade with peace of mind. They also have what is called inbuilt charts. That is, you can trade at the same time with talking to the platform. Unlike other platforms that make you go through endless forms or emails, Knowance lets you chat in from a trusted friend, not a code machine. Over 250 payment method, they have that in their platform also. This is one of the biggest reasons people love Knowance. You are not just stuck with just one method of bank transfer or crypto wallet. You can use mobile money services like Gcash, M-Pesa, or even gift cards like Amazon, iTunes, and Xbox. If you want to pay with PayPal account or your favorite local bank, you can also go ahead with that. Knowance makes it easy for people around the world to buy and sell crypto without needing a traditional bank. Just super helpful for people in every region where banks are unreliable or even more expensive. They are also with what is called the silent pool. That is, you trade big while you maintain a low key. Let's say you want to buy or sell a huge amount of crypto, but you don't want the whole market to know and affect the price. That is where the silent pool comes in. It's a private feature that allows large buyers to make their deals quietly without affecting public prices. It's like walking into a VIP room for a big players, but anyone with a big order can use it. Knowance can also come with a virtual Visa card that you spend crypto like cash. With Knowance, you can generate a virtual Visa card that is funded by your crypto. That means you can spend your Bitcoin or USDT just like normal money on things like Netflix, Amazon, or even food delivery apps. These features bridges the gap between crypto and real world spending. You don't have to cash out your bank. You just swipe or click and you are good to go. Knowance also comes with gift card trading, discounts, and profit. Knowance has an entire marketplace just for buying and selling gift card. Got an unused Amazon or even Steam card, you can sell it for crypto. If you are looking to buy one at a discount, you will also find sellers offering up to 10% free. It's not just a way to spend. Some users actually make profit by flipping gift card. It's perfect for hustlers and most deal hunters outside there. They also have low fee built for everyday users. These exchanges often have hidden fees or even charge more if you are not a VIP. No one's They are focused on financial inclusion, especially for users in Africa, users in Asia, and even in Latin America. They keep fees super low, so even small trades make sense. Whether you are buying $5 or even 500 US dollar worth of crypto, you can still keep more of your money. They have airdrops and reward. You can get paid for being active. The more you use no ones, the more chances of you have to earn free crypto. They give you back to the community with airdrops, which are basically surprises reward of crypto just for being active on the platform. It is their way of saying thank you and keeping users excited and engaged. All-in-one crypto wallet with Lightning support are also embedded in this platform. No one comes with free building crypto wallet that support both on-chain transaction and the Lightning network that is super fast and cheap Bitcoin payment. You can swap crypto at the best market rate, receive or send crypto instantly, and even store multiple assets safely all in one place. No need to install 5 different apps. It is simple, clean, and beginner friendly. No one isn't just another exchange. It is a smart, safe, and flexible crypto platform that gives you real freedom. Freedom to trade on your terms, freedom to choose how you pay, freedom to interact and build trust, freedom to spend your crypto like cash, whether you're in Nigeria, whether you're in Philippines, Kenya, India, or even anywhere in this world. No one is made with you in mind.